With the dentures, I have to remove it. So there were times that when I was going to brush my teeth, I was actually trying to pull it. And I just realized, it's permanent, so I don't have to do that. My name is Maria Teresa Duque. I'm 67 years old. I actually had the gum infection, and the doctor did not have any choice but to remove my 4 front teeth. I had my dentures for over 30 years. I didn't really focus on myself. So when I finally decided on retirement, I said, it's time to focus on my health and well-being. And I made a lot of changes, and one of them was this dental implant. And when I got my permanent teeth, I was really very pleased about it. And I think this one is a better option than having dentures, really. I said, why did I wait so long? I'm already retiring. I could have done this years ago. Once you've done the research and you've made a decision that you want to proceed, go for it. Don't waste any time. I think that was the best thing that I've done, and I wish I could have done it much earlier. But as I've said, it's never too late to make that change.